ready to turn your crypto profits into cold, hard cash sent directly to your bank account. Let's dive into how to withdraw from Kraken. First, you'll need to navigate to the trading section of your Kraken account. Once there, find the cryptocurrency you want to sell. Select the Sell option. You'll want to choose the fiat currency you want to convert your crypto into, like USD or EUR, and then specify the amount you wish to sell. It's usually best to place a market order for immediate conversion. After executing the sell order, your cryptocurrency is now converted into fiat currency, visible in your account balance. Now, it's time to withdraw. Click on the Withdraw button. You'll see various withdrawal methods. Select Bank Transfer. If this is your first time withdrawing to this bank account, you'll need to add its details. This typically includes your bank name, account number, and routing number. Make sure these are entered precisely. Review all the details carefully, especially the withdrawal amount and your bank information, to ensure accuracy. Once confirmed, Kraken will process your withdrawal. The time it takes to appear in your bank account can vary depending on your bank and location, but typically it's within a few business days. And there you have it. Your crypto is now successfully converted to fiat and on its way to your bank. For more crypto tips and tutorials, be sure to subscribe.